In this video, we will talk about the advice that Elon Musk, the richest person in the world, gives to people to be successful. Before moving on to these recommendations, let's briefly talk about how Elon Musk came to have this wealth and his life. Of course, these are examples and recommendations for us. Then let's get started. Before starting the video, I would be very happy if you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications for new videos. Enjoy watching. Who is Elon Musk, who according to some has a difficult-to-understand character? Engineer, inventor, investor, and entrepreneur Elon Musk, the richest person in the world, recently purchased Twitter, one of the largest and most important social media platforms in the world, for $44 billion. Musk was born in South Africa on June 28, 1971. He has a Canadian mother and a South African father. For a long time, neither Tesla nor SolarCity made a profit, and Musk's financial situation remained fragile. Musk sold his house and all his assets and lived by borrowing money. He slept at friends' houses. Even today, Musk does not own a house or personal land. Sometimes he stays in SpaceX's prefabricated small housing, sometimes in Tesla factories, and sometimes in hotels. First trade. Elon taught himself how to program and code software. At the age of 12, he earned his first money by selling the space game he wrote called Blaster for approximately $500. He studied 8th and 9th grades at Bryanston High School, then transferred to Pretoria Boys High School and graduated. In 1988, when he was only 17, he left home to avoid military service in the South African Army. In 1992, after 2 years at Queen's University in Kingston, Ontario, he left Canada to study business and physics at the University of Pennsylvania. He chose economics as his major at the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania and received his bachelor's degree. He also studied physics as a minor and received his diploma as well. He then moved to California's Silicon Valley to pursue a doctorate in applied physics and materials science. However, he did not complete his doctorate and left school. Meanwhile, Musk identified 3 areas that consist of the problems that will most affect the future of humanity. These areas were internet, clean energy, and space. First company. Musk, together with his brother Kimball Musk, wanted to start the Zip2 project for a virtual Golden Guide type of content listing organizations, and he dropped out of school for this. In 1999, Compaq's AltaVista unit acquired Zip2 for $307 million in cash and $34 million in stock. PayPal, its first billion-dollar company. Musk used all the income he earned from this trade to establish X.com, a virtual finance and payment service, in March 1999. In this way, he became one of the co-founders of the company. The following year, X.com merged with Confinity, a similarly sized auction system, in a 50-50 merger deal to form PayPal. In October 2002, PayPal was acquired by eBay for $1.5 billion in stock. Before the sale, Musk, the company's largest shareholder, owned 11.7% of PayPal. Musk invested all of the money he earned from this transaction into his third and fourth companies, space exploration technologies, namely SpaceX and Tesla. SpaceX, the world's most advanced rocket technology. SpaceX was founded in June 2002. Today, SpaceX produces the most advanced technology rockets in the world and has become unrivaled in the space race. Musk managed to develop the first rockets that could land vertically back to the Earth, dramatically reducing the costs of sending materials and people into space. Musk, who also launched his own satellite internet service thanks to SpaceX, continues to place thousands of satellites into orbit. The service provided by this internet company called Starlink can already be used all over the world today. Produced after the company's first 2 launch vehicles, Falcon 1 and Falcon 9, Falcon Heavy became one of the most powerful rockets launched in history. The next Starship model will be the largest and most powerful space rocket ever made by human beings and will go first to the Moon and then to Mars, enabling the establishment of colonies there. The company's first spacecraft is a capsule called Dragon, and Musk can send 4 astronauts to the space station at a time. His closest rival is Jeff Bezos. The Falcon 9 rocket and Dragon were awarded a $1.6 billion NASA contract in December 2008 for 12 flights to the International Space Station. Musk, who received all of these and similar contracts, is at odds with Jeff Bezos, CEO of Amazon, the second richest person in the world, because Bezos followed in Musk's footsteps and founded a space company called Blue Origin, whose rockets can land vertically back to the ground, but the tender was not successful. He filed a lawsuit against SpaceX twice, claiming that the company was treated unfairly during the process. SpaceX also made history as the first commercial company to send and dock a vehicle to the International Space Station. Tesla, the world's most valuable automobile brand. Musk is also a co-founder and head of product design at Tesla Motors. Musk started by hiring Martin Eberhard as CEO and poured almost all of his capital into Tesla. After the compulsory layoffs at Tesla during the economic crisis in 2008, Musk was forced to take on the role of CEO. Tesla Motors first produced the Tesla Roadster, an electric sports car, and sold approximately 2,500 units in 31 countries. Tesla delivered its first four-door sedan, Model S, in June 2012. Ardenan released its third product, Model X, targeting the SUV/minivan market. Later, it launched the Model 3, the most affordable hatchback model, and finally the Model Y in the crossover category. Musk is expected to start producing Tesla trucks soon. This company is now the most valuable automobile brand in the world. SolarCity, USA's largest solar energy systems manufacturer. Musk also has a company called SolarCity that produces solar panels. SolarCity is the largest solar energy system provider in the United States. Strategy. Musk's strategy has always been to target his wealthy customers first, invest the money he earns from them in research and development, and turn the resulting more affordable new designs into large sales. Other attempts. In addition to all these initiatives, Musk has a company called The Boring Company, which can open the world's fastest underground tunnel, a nonprofit research company called OpenAI, working on artificial intelligence, a company called Neuralink that produces neurological brain chips, and Tesla. It has a department that works on humanoid robot production. Sometimes it also sells different types of products. For example, products that are produced and sold in limited quantities, such as vodka, flamethrower, or perfume, sell out within a few days after they are put on sale. Hyperloop pioneer. Musk also pioneered the implementation of the capsule project called Hyperloop, which flies thanks to magnetism in a vacuum tube, which is thought to be one of the most used transportation methods of the future. He prepared a physics and feasibility study about this. He invited all universities and entrepreneurs in the world to participate in award-winning competitions to create projects. Some of these projects will be implemented soon. Foundations, organizations, associations. Musk's talents are not limited to these. Musk, who also does charity work on science education, child health, and clean energy through his foundation called Musk Foundation, also has a school called Adastra, which he founded specifically for his own children and the children of some people working at SpaceX. Musk is also a board member of other foundations and organizations, the Space Foundation, the National Academies of Aerospace Engineering, the Planetary Society, the California Institute of Technology, and the Stanford Engineering Advisory Commission. Donations and aid. Musk, who launched a $1 million program to donate solar energy systems to meet critical needs in disaster areas through his foundation in 2010, also donated nearly $100 million of Starlink equipment and services to Ukraine during the occupation of Ukraine. Twitter, social media boss. On Twitter, one of the largest and most influential social media platforms, Musk was already among the top 3 accounts with the most followers in the world, with 110 million. In April 2022, it first became its largest partner by acquiring a 9.2% stake. However, he did not attend board meetings. A lawsuit was filed against him, accusing him of trying to prevent decisions being made and to reduce share values in order to buy more. The turbulent process that started a few months ago ended with Musk purchasing all shares of Twitter. Musk is expected to turn Twitter into a medium where a wide variety of applications, such as WeChat in China, are used together. It is thought that an area where videos can be uploaded like YouTube, money can be transferred like PayPal, chat and files can be sent like WhatsApp, and profiles can be created like Instagram will emerge. Cryptocurrency love. Musk first bought a large amount of Bitcoin, pushing the price up. He later announced that he would sell Tesla for Bitcoin. However, he later gave up on this, stating that he was concerned about the environmental effects of crypto. However, Musk later announced that he had invested in another cryptocurrency called Dogecoin, which no one cared about and thus increased its price. Musk still supports the use of Dogecoin and suggests that it is the currency of the future. Private life. Musk's private life is as interesting as his professional life. Although Musk, whose father is also an engineer, says that his interest and talents come from his father, it is known that he does not have good relations with his father and does not meet with him. There are interviews in which his father, Elon Musk, did not treat his mother, May Musk, well, and Elon described his father as an evil and terrible person. As a matter of fact, Elon's two brothers have the same opinion. Although Elon, whose mother and father have been separated for a long time, has appeared before the media with his mother many times, he has not been seen together with his father yet. Musk, we should have many children. In 2008, Musk divorced his then first wife, Justine. Their first son died of sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS, when he was 10 weeks old, but the couple later had twins and triplet boys. Musk, who had a relationship with singer Grimes in 2020, had a son, and his naming him XAEA12 caused controversy. Musk was able to do this because there are no restrictive rules regarding the name in the USA. In 2021, a daughter was born with Grimes. He named the girl from this birth with the surrogate mother Dark Sidereal Musk. Stating that one of the biggest problems in the world is population decline, Musk tells everyone that they should have more children. We briefly talked about the life of Elon Musk. Now let's move on to our main topic, what Elon Musk says people should do to be successful. What could be the secret or secrets of people who have achieved success in life? We all wonder about this from time to time. Elon Musk, one of the world's most popular entrepreneurs and CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, gave some tips to young people who want to be successful in an episode of the Lex Fridman podcast where he was a guest. Musk has 5 important recommendations that he thinks will help young people if they apply them. Be helpful. Elon Musk advises young people who want to be successful to first become a useful person. Stating that it is difficult to be useful, Musk states that a life spent doing things that benefit people and the world is a life truly worth living and will bring success to people. Contribute to society. Another issue that Elon Musk underlined in the podcast is that a person contributes more to society than he consumes. He advises young people to do things that will make a positive contribution to society and to set this as a goal for themselves. Don't make a special effort to become a leader. Musk also advises young people not to make a high-level effort to become a leader. He underlines that people who are accepted by others and adopted as leaders are generally people who do not make a special effort for leadership. Read a book. Stating that he liked to browse encyclopedias when he was a child, Musk advises young people who want to achieve success in life to read a lot of books and try to gain as much knowledge as possible and increase their general culture. Talk to people. Finally, Elon Musk advises young people to stay in touch with people. Reminding that talking to people with different abilities from different walks of life, industries, and professions will increase a person's knowledge and worldview, Musk states that success will come more easily for those who follow these 5 steps.